Constructed from 2 stacked shipping containers, this home, located in Baxter, Tennessee, maximizes comfort in every inch of this luxurious retreat. The interior of this house is truly remarkable. From the entrance, there is a modern kitchen that brings a fresh and inviting atmosphere. The light-filled kitchen features quartz countertops, brand new kitchen appliances, stacked washer and dryer, large horizontal slit window for natural lighting, and abundance of rosemary garden cabinets. Large bifold glass doors connect the kitchen to the screened-in indoor-outdoor living porch and dining area, blending both spaces. The inviting screened-out porch is designed for use throughout the year and is equipped with a couch, hot tub, a 55-inch swivel-mounted smart-screen TV, and accessories. A narrow hallway from the kitchen leads to the bathroom and the main floor bedroom. From the kitchen is a beautifully designed modern bathroom that features matte black fixtures and sleek spacious walk-in shower with the rainfall shower head. The bedroom is decorated in a minimalist yet stylish fashion. The bedroom features a king-size bed, portable closet, a large window with abundant natural lighting. A steel staircase leads to the second floor of the house. The second floor offers more entertainment with a 55-inch smart TV and a retro multi-game arcade. On the second floor is a sun-filled living area fitted with 2 twin futon couches for extra sleeping space, an electric fireplace, and a rolling glass door that opens to the middle deck, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. The deck has a covered bar that features 55-inch TV for your entertainment. The deck also features an outdoor staircase that gives access to the upper level. A narrow door from the living area leads to the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a comfortable king bed, large windows that offers maximum views of the lake. The indoor walls of the house are painted in light colors to create a sense of large indoor spaces. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. The home offers excellent outdoor living spaces to complement the limited indoor living space. This amazing house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.